We sell milk.
We sell milk.
We sell postage stamps! We sell milk.
Why are you cheering? You literally saw the rock that you threw fall 2 feet in front of you while your dad fucking whipped that shit down to the fucking water, kid. You're not an MLB pitcher.
They are liquefying this young man in order to use him as fuel for artificial intelligence. If you still support AI, I want you to watch this video carefully.
Hey, excuse me. Would you rather have $100 or would you rather have a gay person lose their Wi-Fi?
Oh, a gay person lose their...
Excuse me.
What the fuck do you want, bro?
Do you want an umbrella?
But why would I want an umbrella for, bro?
Because it's raining, you're gonna
What,
get
do you think
wet.
I'm scared of the rain, bro?
Just take it anyway.
I don't want that.
Oh my god, thank you so much for the umbrella. I really appreciate that.
It's fine.
Does it look good on me?
Yeah, it suits you.
Clock it. I knew it would suit me, wouldn't it?
Obviously.
Do you have an umbrella?
I do.
Okay, well, you have a good day, okay? Thank you so much for the umbrella. Bye.
Fuck.
Fuck.
Nice. There you go. You.
Whoa.
You.
You.
There we go. Fuck.
Fuck you.
Yes! Yeah, there you go.
Fuck
Fuck.
you.
Fuck you. Ah, no, fuck
Fuck
you.
you. Fuck you.
Fuck you.
Oh, fuck you.
Hiya, fuck you.
Oh,
Nah, fuck you.
oh, you.
Hiya, fuck you.
Oh,
Fuck you.
okay.
Okay.
Ah.
Look at this. Wait.
This is for the LGBT community.
Are you waiting for your luggage and then you're going to take a picture? You're like, they can't lose my luggage now?
Hinweis. Das Rauchen im Bahnhof ist nur in gekennzeichneten Raucherbereichen gestattet.
Guys!
Okay, flip it. Oh my god.
Center. Hey, babe. Hold on, guys. Lish is on my shoulders. What's going on? Jesus Christ!
My grandma does not like the Angry Birds at all. So today I'm waking her up with Big Red. Humma, wake up.
Let me turn it on. It's gonna explode.
Tiny bit of cheese.
Like that.
That's too much. That's too much. Whatever.
Sorry,
man,
buddy.
it's fine. It's fine.
You alright, kid?
I'm hungry. That looks
Anything
good.
else?
That's it.
But how do you expect me to roll this?
Just figure it out, man.
Buddy,
You're the
I can't roll
expert.
it, buddy. Like I can't fucking roll it! What are you doing?
Well, maybe if you didn't add all that freaking cheese.
It's a beautiful day for football here at the Signal Iduna Park. My name's Derek Ray, and what we have coming up for you is exciting Bundesliga action.
Yeah, but it slipped out of my hand. I was trying to drink and it slipped out of my hand. Yeah, but I was trying to drink and it slipped out of my hand.
Rashida! Rashida!
You got to get closer.
I am fucking massive. It thinks I'm a van.
As a German, we don't say babe, honey, or darling. In Germany, we say
Der Angriff Steiner war ein Befehl!
Ich frage mich echt auf, was meine Nachbarn denken, was hier für ein Mensch wohnt.
Just how to say open the door in Chinese? Open the door.
打开门.
打开门. 打开门. Oh, wait.